But now, we're going to go in our favorite spot with our favorite guy. Russell, what's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about some of the variations of the new cutting boards that we got from Brandon with Trinity Craftsman last week. So Brandon's been working with us for, I guess it's been 5 years, 4 or 5 years now. And we've standardized our sizes and shapes. So we offer 2 sizes. This is what we call the large. It's approximately 13 by 17. We do them with Texas, with a groove, or without. And so just little, slightly variations. And then we have what we call the small. So this small size are great for, you know, just like you're making a sandwich or you're just chopping a few things. I cannot remember the dimensions of this one at all right now, so I apologize. But you'll see we use, mainly we use 2 woods. We use the maple, which is the paler. Maple is the best wood for edge retention, so not damaging your knives. And walnut is in the top 5 as well for edge retention. And the combination of them is just absolutely stellar. I love the look of them. They're very classic, very classy looking. And Brandon does a great job with the construction of these, getting things perfectly fat. So you have like very little, if not no, gaps between the wood when he laminates them together. Absolutely stellar job, which is why we bring them in. So we'll be more on this as we continue to standardize stuff around here and just get everything narrowed in.
Right on. All right, y'all, we'll wrap it up here. Get you going for the week. See you on the next one. Peace.